It's a 2015 Acura RDX. It's ready to shoulder your everyday burdens with sophistication and class. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, and V6 engine. Cars.com explains the Acura RDX is better armed to win over shoppers. It's larger, lighter, and more efficient while offering an attractive value proposition. Luxury, performance, Acura. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Why shop anywhere else? Cain BMW, conveniently located at 6461 Whipple Avenue Northwest in North Canton, Ohio.